Pawanamuktasana, wind relieving pose. Lie on your back on a mat. Ensure that your feet are together and your arms are placed beside your body. As you inhale, lift both your legs up to 90-degree angle, and as you exhale, bring your knees towards your chest and press your thighs on your abdomen. Clasp your hands around your legs as if you're hugging your knees. Now exhaling, bring your chin close to the knees. If you have any kind of neck pain or injury, relax your head on the mat. Hold the asana while you breathe normally. After a few breaths, exhale and release the pose.